The dreaded coefficient of friction question. Sled dogs do 11,300 joules of work, so that's got to be our work, right? How we know how much work the sled dogs do, I don't know. It is a mystery to me. All right, let's see, 117 kilograms, that's got to be the mass, right? Kilograms. And then 75.8 meters, that must be our distance, right? And then what is the coefficient of friction? Notice that there's no mention of power or time. So we're really not going to use that formula. That's the one. That's just a two-stepper, right? We're not going to use that guy, right? And then notice that we're dragging, so we won't be using the lifting force, right? We'll be using the friction force. All right, let's see. I feel like we can't, oh, we can do force. Yeah. We can do this guy because we have work and distance, so we can do this, right? Work divided by distance. So force equals work divided by distance equals 11,000 divided by, okay, 11,300 divided by 75.8. So the force that these sled dogs exert is 149.0765 newtons. All right. So now we know the force, right? So since we've already used that formula, we're not going to use that one because there's no power or time, right? We're not lifting. It must be this formula, right? So let's see. And what are we solving? We're solving for mu. Mu. So mu is force divided by mg. Force divided by m. And also divided by g, right? Okay, so that's going to be 149.0765 divided by, what's our mass? 117. And also divided by 9.8. Okay, now when I do this on my calculator, I literally have to get that answer, right? Okay, so that 149.0765, and I have to go divided by 117, divided by 9.8, right? That's the way you have to do it unless you use parentheses. You could go divided by left parenthesis 117 times 9.8 right parenthesis. This is fewer keystrokes, so I choose this. Now, I'm not going to type that number into my calculator. I'm just simply going to say divided by, and it says the calculator automatically, and almost any calculator will do this, automatically says answer divided by, right? And then I'm going to go 117, and then I'm going to go another divided by, and then 9.8. And I'm getting that is 0.130016. These don't have units because really this is force. That's force. So it's just the ratio of two different forces. So 0.13 is our coefficient. It has no units. All right.